Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in the class. Today we are here for prime numbers and composite numbers, which comes under chapter 6 of unit 2. So, today we will understand about prime numbers and composite numbers. So, beginning with the definition of prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers having only two factors. विद्यार्थीहरू प्राइम नम्बर्स भनेको यस्तो नम्बर्सहरू हुन् जसको दुईवटा फ्याक्टर्सहरू मात्र हुन्छन्। त्यो दुईवटा फ्याक्टर भनेको 1 र आफै हुन्छ। So students, now here you need to understand is about factors. So what is factor? So factors are the numbers which divides the given numbers exactly. And similarly students, composite numbers are the numbers having more than two factors. So students, let's see the definition. The definition goes like this: the numbers having only two factors, that is 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. त्यस्तो नम्बर्सहरू जसको दुईवटा मात्र फ्याक्टरहरू हुन्छन्। एउटा हुन्छ 1 र अर्को आफै नै हुन्छन् भने त्यस्तो नम्बर्सलाई हामी प्राइम नम्बर्स भन्छौँ। So students, what does this factors mean? So factors is the numbers which divides the given numbers exactly. For example, let's take an example. If I write a number 2, now what are the factors of 2? यदि मैले 2 लिएर अब 2 को फ्याक्टर्सहरू मलाई फाइन्ड गर्नु छ भने 2 को फ्याक्टर्स भनेको 2 लाई कुन कुन नम्बरले डिभाइड हुन्छ त? Which numbers can divide this 2? 2 लाई कुन कुन नम्बरले डिभाइड हुन्छ? Obviously, we should start with 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. Now students, after 1 we should start with 2. So 2 is already here. 2 is already here. In the table of 1 2s are, it is 2. In the table of 2 2 1s are, but 2 is already here. So these are your factors. Now if we take 3, we cannot get 2 in table of 3. Similarly, in table of 4 we cannot get 2. Similarly 5, 2 cannot be divisible of 5 exactly. So therefore here the factors of 2 are, one is 1 and another is 2. 2 को फ्याक्टर्सहरु यहाँ दुईवटा छ, एउटा 1 हो र अर्को 2 हो। Now let's see another number, that is 1. Now if you try to find the factor of 1, we should start with 1. 1 लाई कुन कुन नम्बरले डिभाइड हुन्छ त? So let's start with 1. So 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. Now if we take 2, 1 cannot be exactly divisible by 2. यदि हामीले 2 को टेबल पढ्छौं भने 2 को टेबलमा 1 कहिले पनि आउँदैन। We cannot get 1 in table of 3. Similarly 4, we can only get 1 in table of 1. So students, here 1 has got only one factor, हैन? 1 को चाहिँ एउटा मात्र फ्याक्टर हो, त्यो हो आफै। Here 1 has got only one factor, that is 1. 1 को यहाँ एउटा मात्र फ्याक्टर देखियो, 1, only 1. 2 has got two factors, 1 2. 2 को दुईवटा फ्याक्टर देखियो र 1 has got only 1. that is itself. So students, by the definition, the numbers having two factors, that is 1 and itself, is known as prime numbers. Now we can see here 2 has got two factors, that is 1 and 2. One is 1 and another is itself. एउटा 1 हो र अर्को चाहिँ itself आफै हो, त्यसैले 2 is prime number. So therefore 2 is a prime number, as because it has got two factors, that is 1 and 2. Okay, so since 2 has got two factors, 2 is considered as prime number. But here 1 is not a prime number, as because it has only got one factor and that is 1. प्राइम नम्बर हुनको लागि दुईवटा फ्याक्टर हुनै पर्छ। जस्तै 2 को यहाँ 1 र 2 दुईवटा फ्याक्टर भयो, तर 1 को हेर्छौ भने 1 सँग एउटा मात्र फ्याक्टर छ, त्यो हो इटसेल्फ। 1 लाई अरु कुनै नम्बरले डिभाइड हुँदैन, आफैले मात्र हुन्छ। देयरफोर 1 इज नट अ प्राइम नम्बर। So students, here 2 is the very first prime number. 2 सबैभन्दा पहिलो प्राइम नम्बर हो। आफ्टर 2 3 3 इज अल्सो डिभिजिबल बाई 1 एन्ड इटसेल्फ। 3 लाई पनि हामीले चेक गर्ने हो भने 3 लाई एउटा 1 ले डिभाइड हुन्छ र अर्को 3 ले मात्र हुन्छ, अरु कुनै नम्बरले डिभाइड हुँदैन। नाउ सिमिलरली 5 is also a number which is divisible by only two numbers, that is 1 and itself. Similarly 7 etc. Now students, let's move towards composite numbers. So students, the numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. त्यस्ता नम्बरहरू जसको फ्याक्टर 2 भन्दा बढी हुन्छ नि स्टुडेन्ट्स। The numbers having more than two factors. यदि 2 वटा भन्दा बढी फ्याक्टर्सहरू छ भने त्यस्तो नम्बरलाई हामी कम्पोजिट नम्बर्सहरू भन्छौँ। भनेको अर्थ, यदि कुनै पनि नम्बरलाई 2 वटा भन्दा बढी नम्बरले डिभाइड हुन्छ भने, मानौ 3 वटा नम्बरले डिभाइड हुन्छ, 4 वटा नम्बरले डिभाइड हुन्छ, 5 वटा नम्बरले डिभाइड हुन्छ भने त्यस्तो नम्बर्सलाई हामी कम्पोजिट नम्बर्स भन्छौँ। So now let's see. Students, here I have taken a number 4. Now let's see how many factors it has. Now let's start with 1. So now if we read the table of 1, 1 4 ja 4. 1 4 ja 4. Now after 1, we should take 2. So in table of 2 we can get 4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. Now students, in table of 3 we cannot get 4. 3 को टेबल में 4 आउँदैन। So now we have to move towards 4. Now अब 4 को पालो। So 4 त students already आइसकेको छ, 4 is already here. So we have to stop doing factorization. 4 यहाँ आइसकेको छ भने अब हामी रुक्नु पर्यो स्टुडेन्ट्स। Now we have to see whether how many factors does 4 has got. So let's see. Here we can see 4 has got 3 factors. They are 1 2 4. 4 has got 3 factors, 1 2 and 4. So students, since 4 has got 3 factors, therefore 4 is considered as composite number. दुईटा भन्दा धेरै फ्याक्टर हुने बित्तिकै त्यो composite numbers हुन्छ students. So some of you are thinking why I haven't taken this 2, as because 2 has been repeated. हामीले रिपिट गर्नु हुँदैन students. So 4 has got 3 factors, that is 1 2 and 4. So therefore 4 is considered as composite numbers. So now let's see 8. So let's start with 1. So students, in table of 1, 1 8 is 8, 1 8 is 8. Now after 1 we should take 2. So since 8 is even number, 2 4 is 8. Now students, after 2 turn of 3, but 3 cannot divide this 8. Now turn off 4. 3 पछिको पाला हुन्छ 4. 4 is already here, so we should not take with 4. Now 5. In table of 5 we cannot get 8. 5 को टेबलमा 8 आउँदैन. After 5 6. In table of 6 also we cannot get 8. Now 7. In table of 7 also 8 doesn't occur, so now turn off 8. So 8 को पालो स्टुडेन्ट्स. अब 8 अलरेडी आइसकेको छ भने हामीले गर्नु परेन. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स हियर वी क्यान सी 8 यहाँ आइसकेको छ भने अब हामी स्टप गर्नु पर्यो, हामीले फर्दर अगाडि जानु परेन. सो हियर वी क्यान सी 8 has got 4 factors. They are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So 8 has got 4 factors. They are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So since 8 has got more than 2 factor, 8 को factor दुईटा भन्दा बढी भयो स्टुडेन्ट्स, 4 वटा भइदियो. So therefore 8 is also considered as composite numbers. So here the very first composite number is 4. After 4 it is 6. After 6 it is 8, 10, etc. So students, hope you have understood about prime numbers and composite numbers clearly. Now this much for today. Now in the next class we will be more clear about prime numbers and composite numbers. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.